guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a very quick guitar tutorial on the song Lie by Sasha Sloan. We have the keyboard on the first fret for this song, and we just have 4 chords. And have a look at the structure. It's the verse, chorus, verse, chorus, verse, chorus. You can actually add the pre-chorus in between, but I like to say that verse, the verse and pre-chorus combined. I just want to say that as a verse. So never mind, we just have 2 parts to learn. And it's pretty easy to play, but I'm just going to show you an advanced level and all stuff to play that on the song, to play that on guitar to make the song a bit more spicy. So let's get started. Have a look at the chords first. Now the first chord will be an E minor, very easy. Don't forget capo is on the first fret with the standard tuning. So open, second, second, open, open, open. Then we have a G major, which is 3-2, open, open, 3, 3. Or you can even play 3-2, open, 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 3. It's after all the same thing. Then we have a C major, which is mute 3-2-0-1-0, and then lastly a D major, which is mute mute open second third second. And that's basically everything for the chords. So we start off playing the verse, and for the verse we just have 2 chords and we just alternate between 2 of them. So it will be an E minor and a D. So you just play the E minor, and if you add the 3rd frets on the B and the high E string, it will be better. A minor 7. So what I do is I do a down on that E minor, and then I keep my hand, and then I do play the D major. I do a down, I keep my hand, rest for a second, and move on to the E minor. And that way I just alternate between those 2 chords, and that's it for the verse. But here I'm just going to show you one thing which you can just play to the next level. So we got 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2. This goes on for the verse. So if you find all this, I'm just going to show you right now a lot hard, and you can just go with that. Never mind, let's have a look at this part. Now what basically we are doing over here is the bar chords, but you don't need to know the shape and all. You just need to know 2 notes. So let's get started with 2 notes. We have our index on fret 5 of the A string and pinky on the fret 7 of the B string. So it's D major. And then you move on to 7th fret on that A string and 8th fret on the B string. With these 2 fingers, as you can see, it's E minor. So what you do is you just play the A string and B string for that D major chord, and you just go with that. So from fret 5 to fret 7, which means from D to E minor, and that goes on for the whole song. What I do is I do a thumb slap, having my thumb, which actually basically slap the top string, and I get that slap sound. So just hit that with your thumb, or you can even just keep your hand on the string to get the sound of the chord. Now let's make it a bit more spicy. So what I do is I play these 2 notes, as you can see, but after that I play the B string. So you got, so for all the time before that it was like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, but now it comes to 1 and 2 and 1 and. So I do, just becomes a bit different over here. We play the A string, B string, and after that we again play the B string, and then we just do that slap or that mute, whatever we say. And do the same thing for the E minor, which is on 7 and 8 on the A and B. So make here, what you can do in the middle, which I like to do again, make it a bit more spicy. I like to strum in between. And to make it more better, what you can do is you can just add the octaves. What the octave? The D major, I will get another octave on the G string, 7th fret. So it goes to be 5 on the A, 7 on the G and B. So I'm now using my ring finger to play that. And now on that E minor, again I have the octaves on 1 string down. So it's the 2 string down and 2 frets high. So it will be 7 on the A, then 9, which is the octave on the G string, and 8th fret on the B string. And I repeat the exact same pattern on those shapes. Another thing what you can do is you can just get your index finger bar. So it actually, you just trying to move on to that bar chord position and all. So we have this index finger bar, so we get that 5th fret on the high E string, and for that E minor we get that 7th fret, and with that you can just even play that note also. So now you're plucking the bass note, the G string, B string, as well as the high E string. So the same pattern, same rhythm. And at the end, if you want, what you can do is you can even do you can just add a bit of melody in between the chord shapes if you want, but that's going to be a bit advanced, but never mind. Let's have a look at the chorus part. Now it's pretty easy, and again I told you, if you have any problem you can just play that E minor, D major, E minor, D in the open shape position. So chorus, we have the chord progression E minor, then a G, then a C, then a D, and that goes in a loop for the whole chorus, for the first chorus, second chorus, as well as for the third chorus. Swing pattern will be down, down, up, up, down. One more time. You want to be a very slow, don't be fast. So down, down, up, up, down. Down, down, up, up, down. Let's put that on the chorus. Up, up, down, 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 up, up, down. One for each chord is enough. And that's basically everything for the session. So if this helps you out, make sure to drop me one of these. Subscribe, because I just want to reach you subs as fast as possible. And I'll see you guys back in the next video. A lot of music to cover today because Friday, so a lot of music coming out obviously. Stay tuned, and see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.